Everything you need to transform your life is already inside you, but the problem is that most people never learn how to access this power. Once I discovered this formula, everything changed. My mindset transformed, my actions aligned, and suddenly, I realized I was moving forward without obstacles. Today, I want to share this formula with you because once you learn this, nothing will be able to stop you. The human mind is an incredibly powerful energy field. Everything starts with the way you think. If your thoughts are disorganized, your life will be a reflection of that. But when you learn to control what enters your mind, you become an unstoppable force. What I discovered is simple yet extremely powerful. The perfect combination of strategic silence and conscious action. Silence is one of the most powerful tools you can develop. When you learn to close your mouth and open your eyes, you start to notice things that previously went unnoticed. Talking too much drains your energy, exposes your plans, and creates space for external doubts to enter your mind. Since I learned to value silence, my energy has increased, and my mental clarity has strengthened. But silence alone is not enough. It must be accompanied by conscious action. Many people get stuck in the cycle of thinking and talking but never take action. The real secret is aligning your thoughts with concrete actions every single day, without depending on recognition or external validation. The formula is simple. Think less, talk less, do more. The reason why most people never achieve success is that they waste time trying to convince others before they even begin. They share their dreams, their strategies, and their next steps with anyone around them, not realizing they are dissipating the energy that should be concentrated on action. Ever since I started keeping my plans to myself, I noticed that my energy remained high and my focus became unshakable. Another part of this formula is emotional mastery. Have you ever noticed how some people constantly react to everything, as if they are at the mercy of their environment? Those who truly have control over their lives know that emotions must be managed intelligently. Not everything deserves a response. Not everything deserves your attention. Learning to stay calm in the most challenging situations is what sets apart those who move forward from those who remain stuck. Silence, combined with strategic actions, creates a magnetic effect around you. Have you ever noticed how the most powerful people don't talk much about what they do? They just do it. And that creates a far greater impact than any speech ever could. Words lose power when they are not backed by actions. That's why, from today, decide that your actions will speak louder than any words. If you truly want to change your life, you need to understand the importance of the energy you carry. Everything around you responds to your vibration. When you become a person who acts in silence, your energy becomes denser, more concentrated, and more powerful. You become someone people respect, even without saying a single word. This also applies to your goals and ambitions. If you want to achieve something great, stop announcing your plans to the world before executing them. Work in the dark, build your foundation, and when you're ready, let your results speak for themselves. True success doesn't need to be announced, it manifests naturally. Another essential point is shielding yourself from negative influences. How many times have you shared something important with someone, only to receive a discouraging response? The simple act of sharing something can weaken your conviction. If you want to grow, you need to learn to protect your vision. Speak only with those who can genuinely add value, and even then, say less than necessary. One of the most powerful changes I made was stopping unnecessary explanations. Too often we feel obligated to justify our choices, but the truth is, you don't owe anyone an explanation for your journey. People will judge no matter what, so stop trying to convince them and focus on doing what needs to be done. Every day, it becomes more evident that those who know how to manage their energy are the ones who move forward. Have you ever noticed that successful people seem to have a different glow? That happens because they have learned to channel their energy into what truly matters. When you focus on your actions and avoid wasting energy on unnecessary talk, your presence becomes stronger and your path becomes lighter. Another fundamental piece of this formula is strategic patience. Many people want immediate results and end up giving up before seeing the fruits of their efforts. But those who truly understand the game of life know that success is built in silence, with daily discipline. Every small action you take today is planting a seed that, at the right time, will flourish. That's why those who persist without making noise are the ones who surprise the world the most. Additionally, developing energetic intelligence is essential. This means learning to identify where your energy is being drained and cutting those leaks immediately. Negative people, destructive habits, toxic environments, all of these rob your strength and hinder your growth. When you start choosing more carefully what and who deserves your attention, you'll notice your energy strengthening and your ability to accomplish more increasing. One of the greatest secrets of successful people is their ability to act without relying on external motivation. While most people wait to feel inspired before taking action, those who master this formula simply move forward regardless of how they feel. They have understood that consistency outweighs motivation. And when you internalize this, your growth becomes inevitable. Another important point: the power of mystery. When you become someone who speaks little but acts a lot, people start seeing you differently. Mystery creates magnetism. It sparks curiosity and respect. While most people expose everything they do, you stand out by being someone of few words and great results. This makes you a stronger presence, someone others notice and admire, without you needing to say anything. Finally, remember, every minute spent trying to prove something to others is a wasted minute that could have been invested in your own growth. You don't need to convince anyone of your worth. Your work, your transformation, and your journey are already the greatest proof of what you're capable of. And when you understand this, your energy shifts, your confidence grows, and nothing can stop you. If you truly want to change your life, make this commitment now. Practice strategic silence, direct your energy into action, master your emotions, and protect your vision. This is the formula that will make you unstoppable. And now I ask you, are you ready to apply this formula in your life? If so, start today. Take the first step, silently, and watch how the world around you begins to change. If this video resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to Motivation You Need and continue your journey of transformation. See you in the next video.